Solved problems. Journal. T accounts. Trial balance. Income statement. Capital account and balance sheet. Problem. XYZ company provides accountancy services to clients. The account balances as of November 1, 2014 is given below. Account title. Amount. Cash 50,000. Accounts receivable 50,000. Supplies 4,500. Accounts payable credit 13,000. XYZ capital credit 56,500. Total debits as on November 1, 2014 69,500 and total credits 69,500. Solution. Journal entries. November 5. Paid 1 year office rent of 24,000 for the business starting from November 1, 2014. In the books of XYZ company, accounting services company, journal, date, particulars, reference, debit, credit. Number 5. Office rent account data 24,000 to cash account credit 24,000 being the office rent for 1 year paid. November 10. Provided accountancy service to ABC company for 32,000 on account. November 10. Accounts receivable data 32,000 to accounting services income credit 32,000 being accounting services rendered to ABC company. November 15. Purchased stationery materials supplies for 2,500 on account. November 15. Stationery expense data 2,500 to accounts payable credit 2,500 being the stationery bought on credit. November 20. XYZ company has withdrawn 1,600 for his personal use. November 20. XYZ drawings account debtor 1,600 to cash account credit 1,600 being the amount drawn for personal use. November 24. Provided accountancy services to Lang note reading for 18,000 cash. November 24. Cash account debtor 18,000 to accounting services income 18,000 credit being accounting services income received. November 28. Paid salary for 12,500 for its employees. November 28. Salary expense data 12,500 to cash account credit 12,500 being the salary is paid. November 30. Partially collected 11,000 from ABC company for the services rendered on November 10. November 30. Cash account debtor 11,000 to accounts receivable 11,000 credit being cash collected from ABC company. Now TA accounts. XYZ capital account. Opening balance 56,500. Closing balance 56,500. Accounting services income account. November 10. Credit 32,000. November 24. Credit 18,000. Total income 50,000 credit. Accounts receivable account. Opening balance 15,000. November 24. Debit 32,000. Total debits 47,000. We have collected 11,000 on November 28. So 47,000 minus 11,000. Debit accounts receivable balance 36,000. XYZ drawings account. November 20. 1,600 debit. Total 1,600 debit. Accounts payable account. Opening balance 13,000 credit. November 15. 2,500 credit. Total 15,500 credit balance. Supplies account. Opening balance 4,500. Closing balance 4,500 debit. Office rent account. November 5. 24,000 debit. Total closing balance 24,000 debit. Stationery expense. November 15. 2,500. Total 2,500 debit. Cash account. Opening balance 50,000. November 5. 24,000 paid for rent. November 20. 1,600 credit paid for drawings. November 24. Received income 18,000 debit. November 30. Debit 11,000 received from ABC company. November 28. 12,500 salaries paid. Total debits 79,000. Total credits 38,100. Cash closing balance as on 30th November 2014 is equal to 40,900 debit. Salary expense November 28. 12,500. Closing balance 12,500. Trial balance as at 30th November 2014. Particulars debit, credit. Cash account debit 40,900. Accounts receivable debit 36,000. Accounts payable credit 15,500. XYZ capital credit 56,500. XYZ drawings debit 1,600. Accounting services income credit 50,000. Office rent account debit 24,000. Salary expense debit 12,500. Stationery expense debit 2,500. Supplies account debit 4,500. Total debits 122,000. Total credits 122,000. Income statement for the month of November 2014. Debit, credit, expenses amount, income amount. On the income side, by accounting services income 50,000. On the debit side, to office rent 24,000, to salary expense 12,500, to stationery expense 2,500, to supplies 4,500. When we balance the total income minus total expenses, there is a balance of 6,500. This is net profit transferred to XYZ capital account. Total debits 50,000, total credits 50,000. XYZ capital statement. Balance as on 1/11/2014 56,500 less XYZ drawings 1,600. Add net profit 6,500. Total balance as on 30th/11/2014 XYZ capital 61,400. Balance sheet as on 30th November 2014. Liabilities amount, assets amount. On the asset side, cash account 40,900. Accounts receivable 36,000. Total assets 76,900. On the liability side, accounts payable 15,500. XYZ capital 56,500 less XYZ drawings 1,600. Add net profit 6,500. Total XYZ capital 61,400 plus accounts payable 15,500. Total liabilities 76,900. Total assets 76,900. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.